Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SiteGround for SEO speed and WordPress hosting setup step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type SiteGround.com into the address bar and press enter. On the SiteGround homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will see various hosting plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. For SEO speed and WordPress hosting, consider the Startup or Grow Big plan. Click the Get Plan button next to your selected option. Next, you will be prompted to enter a domain name. If you already have a domain, enter it in the existing domain field. If you need to register a new domain, choose the New Domain option and enter your desired name. Once you've entered your domain, click Proceed. You will now fill out your account information. Enter your email address, password, and any other required details. Next, review your plan and choose the billing period that works for you. SiteGround often offers discounts for longer commitments. Check the additional services and optional extras. Uncheck any that you do not wish to include. Once satisfied, read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Pay Now button to proceed with your purchase. You will be redirected to a payment page. Fill in your payment information as required. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and follow any instructions provided. You may need to log into your SiteGround account now. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section. Here, you can start the process of setting up your WordPress website. Click on Start a New Website. Choose WordPress as your desired setup option. Next, select a theme for your WordPress site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.